So now that you have your KUMI Ring, you want to go ahead and pair it to your phone. So before anything, you're going to want to go into the App Store or your Google Play, depending on your device, and look for the KUMI Ring app. So I'm going to go into the App Store. And there it is. So I have it downloaded already. So before or while you're waiting, you want to go ahead and make sure that you have Bluetooth turned on your device. And as well, make sure you plug in your KUMI Ring or put it on the charging dock, that is, or the wireless charging case. So I've already went ahead and did that. And now you want to just go into the Bluetooth settings on your phone. So now that it's paired, you see that the ring stopped flashing and now it's just shining in green. It's glowing green and now it says connected. So we're gonna go ahead and open the KUMI Ring app and follow the steps on screen. So you want to go ahead and accept the user agreement and privacy policy and click on register now or sign in. So you're gonna have to create a new account, so register. And right at the top you can immediately see it says you haven't added a ring yet. So you want to go ahead and click on that blue button that says add now. It tells you to place the ring on your charger. So we have already done that. So you just click add a device and there you go. You can just see your ring is right there. So you just want to go ahead and click on it and it will start pairing. And boom, you're all done. So now that you have your KUMI Ring set up on your phone, you can go ahead and get started. And you can add your personal details like height, weight, birthday, and gender. So you can fill out your personal information to better track all of your everything health related. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill that part out. Now you can add your picture, you can create a nickname and all different things like that. Now you're all set. So now you can just go ahead and put on your ring, go for a walk, go for a run, or take a nap. And your KUMI Ring will give you all of the insights. Now to set fitness goals and track your progress, switch over to the fitness page. If you want to track all of your sleep, move over to the sleep page. And finally on the status page, you can check your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and body temperature. And it will also give you a recovery status based on your sleep performance and overall health data. Next, we're going to explore all of the functions that your ring can do. So make sure you stick around because we still have a lot to cover. I'll see you in the next video.